And what better way to start the evening or spend the evening with like-minded people. Last week, Nikon Australia put this fantastic event in the middle of the CBD in Sydney. 5 full days full of workshops, networking, gear testing, and full of fun. Right, fellas, I'm here. The Nikon Live. Let's go in. Good to see you, man.
Yeah, likewise.
What's going on? Hey, Will, finally meet you, man.
Finally meet you. I get to see all these photographers that I admire. Hisu, Will, who shoots storms and Milky Way, and nightfall photography, Aaron, Julia Cody, Rocco, who shoots weddings, and a lot more photographers that I met on the day. And I get to catch up with some Nikon guys that I have seen in the past and get to see new people too. So that was an amazing event put together by Nikon Australia. The people that are coming, they get to test the gears, they get to join the workshop, and they're free workshops, by the way. And I get to see Matt Irwin, Mike Jeffrey photography. Man, there's a bunch of people in there. There's a bunch of talents. There's a lot of creative brains. Mike Jeffrey photography. Hey guys, how are we?
So what do you reckon about the event, man?
It's been really good actually. It's been really good to hear from some great people here tonight, some great presentations, and get some good hands-on with some great, very expensive equipment, but very, very high-end. Looking forward to it. You know, we're trying not to be too tempted.
It's a dangerous place to be.
It's a very dangerous place. There's a lot of good gear in it. You know,
but we're having bloody fun, man.
Yeah, always. Yeah, it's always a good time at G.
We're going to have a little bit of a Q&A. Hi, how are you? Thank you so much for coming on down to Nikon Live. It's been amazing to have you, along with something like 200 other people, seeing the amazing keynote speaker, Ray Collins, along with Wes and Julia, showing amazing portrait photography as well as action boxing photography. It's been a huge night.
And you're one of the amazing ones, man.
Was I?
I love your work, dude.
Oh, you're very kind. Yeah. Thank you, and hi everybody. I'll see you soon. Take care.
I have to give credits to these guys in Nikon, man. They pulled this fantastic event, and I'm so proud and grateful to be part of this Nikon Australia journey. And so excited to see what future brings for Nikon Australia and all the creatives around this community. And also to mention, all these people, they're not just great creatives, great marketers, they're great human too. It's been a great night, catching up with a lot of photographers, a lot of legends in the industry. And you know what, creative journey can be very, very lonely. I mean, it's a fun, but when you combine it with the entrepreneurship and you get to make business out of it, man, creative journey is just like, can be lonely. So it's always good to come in and connect with people, like-minded individuals, and have fun. And we might do some projects together in the future. You just never know. Catching up with these professional individuals, we share the same joy and pain. And we can connect together and create something together and brainstorm on a lot of things that are relevant to us. If you guys watching this, you know what to do. In this channel, I talk a lot about photography, astrophotography, travel, and how that relates to photography.
mainly anything photography. That's it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Keep gratitude in your heart. That makes a lot of difference. That makes people happier. Be kind to other people and keep making this world a better place. Peace out.